Welcome students. Practicals are going to start for computer science and IP. For that you have to buy a practical copy like this. This is a hard binding practical copy, and over here there is an index and you have to write the serial number. Name of the experiment means name of the program. You have to write the page number, date of experiment and date of submission. For the time being you don't need to write, and over here the column should be teacher signature. Okay, so this will be the index page. Over here the program that will be given, we have to write in this section. I am giving you an example that will be very beneficial for you. Suppose a program has been given to you, so copies are like this. So all you have to do is to write the program in this side, in the right side, and the output that you have to write in this left side. Means you have to write the output in the white page and the program that you need to write on this area. Okay, now let's see the what is your first program.
This is your practical number 1. The program number 1 is input a welcome message and display it. So over here name is a variable. Over here name is a variable. Is inside name we are keeping the name entered by the user. This is the input function. Input is a built-in function which used to take input from the user. Next line, in the next line message equals to, this is called assignment operator, and message equals to input, enter the message. Right now we are taking the message using, again we are again using the input function and keeping that particular message inside the message variable. So I have the name input by the user as well as I have the message. In the next line what I am writing, print welcome. The welcome is in double quote, means it will exactly get printed, comma name. Name is the name of variable. Whatever the name inside the variable will get printed, and then we print name comma says message. Means first the name will be printed, then says will be printed, and then the message entered by the user. Okay, now we need to type this message inside our IDLE. So all we do, just write Python IDLE will open. This is the IDLE. Go to the file menu, new file. Over here I have to write the program. What I am doing right now for the time being, I am copying it, just paste, and then you have to save the program. File, save as. Suppose I am saving with the name 1st.py. Save. Now go to the run module. It will ask you to enter the name. Suppose I am giving my name as an input. Enter the message. Enter. So just look at the program. Print welcome name. This is the welcome, and the name input by me is Vivash. So welcome, this name. Again print name. Name has been printed. Says exactly get printed, and the message. What was the message? Welcome students. So all you have to do, you have to write the program in the right side of the copy project file, and the output on the next on the left side of the project file. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask your queries in the doubt clearing section. I will try to answer it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next practical class.